Hello, my name is Emma Leatherwood, and I will be doing my presentation. So my future job goal is to be an art therapist. An art therapist is a medical psychologist who helps someone to explore and learn about their emotions through art and creativity. This can be done through many mediums such as painting, carving, sculpting, finger painting, drawing, and more. I became interested in this because, originally I wanted to be an artist, but then also I wanted to be, a psychologist, and this just kind of combined the two things I am really interested in, and I just find it really fascinating, and yeah. Okay, so the required education. The American Art Therapy Association says that to be an art therapist requires knowledge of and skills in usage of visual art, and the creative process, coupled with application of theories and techniques of human development, psychology, and counseling. A master's degree is necessary for entry-level practice along with 100 hours of supervised practice and 600 hours of art therapy clinical internship. That's a lot. In my 4-year plan, I will get the base of a bachelor's degree in psychology here at BYUI, which will include the internship and lead to getting a master's degree, where I plan to go to BYU because they have an actual master's program there for psychology, which they don't here. And I know my transfers would actually go over. Additionally, I plan on minoring in art education here, which will also meet the required education standards. Alright, this is a picture of me taking pictures at an art museum. Or it's a science museum, actually, I think. I've always loved art and wanted to do something with it to help others. This has led me to the goal of being an art therapist, which is why I'm majoring in psychology. Funnily enough, most of the reasons that chapter 13 had aligned with many of my own reasons, except for maybe the last one, which was art therapy is not art therapy, psychology is an easy major, which I have to disagree because I do not think it's that easy. But it is really interesting and I think it's worth it. Alright, I believe that's it. Bye!